Hey, Grant Cardone here. I want to share with you 10 steps that will ensure that you become a millionaire in your lifetime. Number one step, decide to become a multimillionaire. Do not shoot for millionaire. While many of you may say, man, $1 million's enough, trust me, if you come up short on your goals, set them higher. Most of us fail when it comes to goal setting. We come up short of what we wanted. Fail high rather than setting too low a target in the beginning. I made this mistake my whole career, my entire career. Number one biggest mistake was I went for a target that was too low. So to become a millionaire, set your target at becoming a multi-millionaire. I would say 10 or even 20 if you can think that big.